If you're a dirt biker, you know the thrill of the ride. But sometimes the ride has a mind of its own. Welcome to Dirt Bike Holiday's hilarious blooper reel. We've got everything from gravity-defying wipeouts to mud baths that you didn't see coming. Watch as Steve tries to nail that trick jump and ends up hugging a tree instead. Hey, at least the tree was friendly, and who can forget Sarah's epic attempt at conquering the mud pit? Spoiler alert, the mud won. It's like Mother Nature's way of saying, nice try, kid. We've all been there, that moment when you think you're a pro and then, well, the ground rushes up to give you a reality check. But hey, that's what makes dirt biking so much fun, right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy these side-splitting moments because, let's be honest, it's way more fun to watch someone else's wipeout. Stay safe out there, and remember, laughter is the best crash landing. If laughter is the best medicine, these dirt bike fails are a full-on pharmacy. Picture this, a guy on a dirt bike, confident as ever until wham, face meets dirt, classic. And then there's the dude who thought he could outsmart a mud pit. Spoiler alert, he couldn't. Oh, and that guy who decided to check if his bike could swim, it can't. We've got epic fails, hilarious wipeouts, and moments that'll make you go, what was he thinking? But hey, it's all part of the fun, right? getting a little muddy, a little bruised, and making memories that last a lifetime. So, if you're ready to laugh until your sides hurt, head over to www.dirtbikeholidays.com. Catch you on the trails.